So these are option parts for the 30-minute sisters that you mentioned earlier. Why is so quiet?
Because
Well,
I don't know
they-
how do you option up? Well, what do you mean options? They're
Well,
not
they're called
robots. They're scale models, aren't they?
Yeah, but
So how do
these
you-
are optional body parts.
Wait a minute.
And these
What
are
are you trying-
these are fleshy body parts.
So what are you trying to say is in here there's literally bolt-ons. Is
Yeah.
it?
So there's different faces.
We don't worry about that.
There's different hands.
Yeah. I still think we're warming up.
Okay, and there's legs and arms.
Legs and arms.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
And
You
then
see
what?
all the associated joints as well. That's
Lots
it.
of joints.
So these two packs are actually the same thing in a different color. So
Yeah.
what you've got there is what they call, what is it? What color they call that one? Color C.
Color C.
And what I've got here, this one is color B. Okay, so this indicates the bits that they give you.
Is that bone color? Is that what B?
It's pretty light colored, isn't it?
What is this color?
That's a tan color.
Is it?
Mm.
Oh, we're on the overhead. Sorry. Color B and color C.
Okay, so you can do the full flesh colored legs because quite often,
What colors do they
This-
come with?
well, they could be colored down here because it looks like leggings or tights.
Oh, so they have less clothes on these ones.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you worked that
I
one out.
didn't. Well, I don't know. Right.
See? Full legs.
So in case your 30
Hands,
minutes,
arms.
in case your 30-minute sister has too many clothes,
Yes.
you can buy these option parts. Why didn't you say that?
Oh, sorry.
So you can do away without the fruitless clothes, frivolous clothes, and
Frivolous.
frivolous. Who needs them? Definitely summer. What
Uh,
scale are they again?
They are about 1/10.
1/10.
1/10, 1/12.
Could make a good girl for my phaser.
Yeah, I don't think we see enough of these in 10 scale
Really?
radio control. I reckon they suit it really well. We've got the
Mm.
frame arm girl that's out there.
Frame mum girl.
Yeah.
Oh, the architect one. Yeah.
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 So that's what this is all
But
about.
I would like more clothes on mine than that. I think that's
Well, you
too
can do.
little.
Well,
I
this is
think
just the
that's,
option bits.
I think that's too little clothes for me.
You don't
Well,
have to put everything on.
what do you mean?
No, I mean, you don't have to put every skin bit on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You can leave it less skin if you want to.
But if they're going swimming, that's how you want them. If you're playing with them in the bath, you probably put that outfit on. And then when you get out the bath, you put the other out. Otherwise, they'll get cold.
Maybe.
Yeah?
Yeah, not
Is
sure.
that what people do?
Maybe. Could be. I don't really know.
Do you play with them in the bath?
Not yet.
You know what we
Ah.
should do? We should put the architect girl in the waterfall, in the paint booth.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She could be
Having
like
a shower?
Yeah. What do you think?
Oh, yeah, maybe.
I think that's a thing.
Maybe we'll have to do that and do a reel, eh?
Did you guys? Yes, we will. Did you
Yes.
guys see that? The paint booth all sold out.
Yeah, that's
Like
right. The
second
waterfall.
shipment. The
That's right.
waterfall thing that was on last week's show. Remember?
That's right, that was a huge thing.
Trying to get it.
Oh, yeah, it's awesome.
Wow,
Mm.
all sold out.
Pretty special.
We've got the one in here that's demo.
Yep.
We haven't sold that one yet.
Mm.
But because it's we've got to empty the water, take it out, and then Will have nowhere to drink out of. You know.
That's right. He has to stay hydrated.
That's right.
Can't have him just like
Right.
crawling around on the ground.
What else have you got for me? Sorry.
All right, so this one is also a 30-minute mission item, but it's a totally different sort of look. It's like an armored, a little bit Mac style. This one,
Mac Daddy.
yeah,
Yep.
a bit machining Krieger, but it's like I don't know, it's like this lucky ball
So
with arms and legs.
That's not an option part. That is a model.
No, that's a full one.
That's a
Okay,
full
so
model.
you look on the side, right? So on the side
No,
gives you.
I'm going in.
Oh, you're going straight in, eh?
I'm going straight in.
Getting into it.
Show me.
See how ball he is? It's got the big grenade launcher thing.
Yes.
Okay, there's a torso.
Yes. A few different colours in there.
So as you can see, there's not that many sprue, right? So hence the 30 minutes.
Yep.
You got some option hands there too.
So all you need with this is your 9-step nippers.
Yep.
Your 9-step hobby knife.
Yep.
Clean off some flashing.
Yes,
Off you go.
that's right. And if you want to be a bit more adventurous, you put in some sanding blocks.
But you don't need paints.
No.
You don't need, and it'll. That's fantastic.
No, yeah, what is it? That's pretty funky, eh?
I like it.
So I was going to show you the side here.
All right, you
turn
show me.
around,
Sorry.
turn around this way. Okay, so this is what the 30-minute missions started off looking like when the series started. So a bit more Gundam-y.
Yeah.
And now they're sort of expanded into something different.
Gundam.
Gundam.
That's
So
cool.
it's gone more Mackie.
Mackie.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that. All right, what else we got?
Not sure.
All right, something a bit older school.
Old school.
Yeah, RX-78. This is also from the high grade range.
Yep.
And this is from Universal Century. So one of the early types of series. But this one, what's he got with him? He's got the G Fighter with him as well.
Is he one of the most? He'd be the most famous one, wouldn't he?
Yeah, this is what they often call Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Yeah, because it's like the oldest one.
Could call him
That's the original design.
Grandpa.
Grandpa. Yeah, well, that sort of works too, doesn't it? So it's a pretty chunky box. Because you got two kits in here, basically. You got the you got Grandpa, and he's sitting on his, I don't know, what do you call it? Like a flying scooter looking thing. Plane? He's flying plane.
Yep.
So that's what the G Fighter's all about.
It's nothing but a G thing.
Can we crack it open?
You want me to? All right. You give me funny looks when I get in there.
There you go. So there's a shield.
Shield?
Yep. There's a cross on the shield, so you don't need to paint that.
The colours are very...
You see the pilot in there?
No.
There's a pilot sitting in there in the cockpit.
It's a very old school primary colours, isn't it?
It is.
Very, very old school.
Some tracks.
Track. What's the track for?
And that's on the plane. Oh, you can see them on
It's
the
got a
side,
base.
don't they? Yes, it does.
Is it meant to have a base?
Well, this one comes with a base. Maybe just to make it look like it's flying with your Gundam sitting on it. Okay, there's a red that goes over that white section, and the yellow star goes in there.
Part of the shield.
Yep. The grey bits, his gun and stuff.
Love it.
So quite a few bits, eh?
How good is it? That is old school classic Gundam, huh?
That's it.
At its finest.
Yep.
There you go.
All right, what else I got? I still got more.
More? You can't have more.
That's from Masked Rider. All the earlier series were called Kamen Rider. And these are guys that look like insects, and they used to ride hot motorcycles around.
Yeah.
This is a series that was on Japanese TV from the late 60s, 70s. And then it's been remade.
Very cool.
And
No
this
glue
is the
required.
sort of thing that Power Rangers sort of emulated from.
Yeah?
Yeah, no glue required, and they've got all the articulated joints.
And it comes with...
Does it come with the base?
Comes with the base.
Oh, does it? Oh, good
Stand
to
for display included.
Nice. So it's brand spankers.
I've never seen this before.
Oh, yeah, there is a whole series. So we do have quite a few of them.
Decals.
Yes.
That's
Well,
really
they're
cool.
stickers.
Stickers?
Yep.
Sorry.
Oh, you got some metallic finished
Ooh.
parts. Oh, that sort of brushed aluminium look.
Yeah, that is really cool. It's really classy finish, isn't it?
And then you got the power
Power.
blast, which is transparent.
Comes from the rocket.
Boom.
Some black. Some rustling. Right.
Yep.
No need to get carried away.
How good is it?
Loving it. Is that all
Nice.
we got?
No,
Is
I
that-
got more.
No.
Another one from the same sort of series.
Look at that Gundam out. What is
This
this
one is the Kamen Rider Double Cyclone Joker. So he's like two characters in one.
Double Cyclone Joker.
He's a bit like wasn't it in Batman? Was it Two-Face?
I'm not sure.
How good is it?
Comes in a display case too, this whole series.
Display stand?
Look at that.
Hmm.
So you like building two different models.
Yeah, but
Very
it's
cool.
put together.
Show
What's
me
it
more. Show me more.
Okay, so we've got some RG series back in stock. Is this new? I don't think it's new. Number 20, that's not new. So this is back in stock.
Yeah.
RG's actually been pretty thin over the last year. Same with PGs, but we haven't had any PGs for a long time.
Really hard to get hold of, huh?
Yep. So RGs, or real grades, if you don't know, they're the same small size as an HG,
Yeah.
but they're more complicated. They've got the same number of parts as a master grade.
Yep.
So all the parts are finer. They've got the same articulation. Sometimes even better than an MG. So you can get some really nice posing, and then if you're stuck for space, you can actually fit a lot more in your cases.
Because they're
Yeah,
Smaller, yeah?
quite a lot. You know, like 30% smaller.
because the other ones are like this big, aren't they?
Chunky.
Especially when you upgrade, especially your ones. You should see the weapons on some of mine I'm doing.
I
They're
think I've had a glimpse. You showed me.
They're like this big.
Yeah, massive. Rockets and everything.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, so RG. So that's a wing. Wings are always popular. And then I finish that off.
I think Vince is going to give me up. Yeah.
Now we've got the GM cannon. Okay, so this is I guess he's like a walking artillery unit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sounds a bit like you.
Really? Artillery?
Yeah? Hostile.
Hostile. That's one word.
There we go.
All right, from the top.
Jump right in.
Oh, the blue. Blue's really funny, isn't it?
It's like a. Do you know who'd love that blue?
I'd love that blue.
You could love that blue.
Oh, yeah, that's true. You got a bit of clear bits there. Some yellow bits. And then, predominantly green. So those bits are down here.
Bit of pink.
Yep, they're for the lightsaber things.
Love a bit of pink.
And there's the green.
Bit of green.
Bit of a contrasting colour, isn't it?
That's cool.
Interesting colour palette. There's some grey bits.
I know, it's a bit of a throw off. We've got a nice, like, gentle baby blue and like the most hostile, violent MF you could ever meet.
That's right.
Yeah.
He's got the big guns hanging on his shoulders.
Big guns. Big guns are blazing.
That's cool. All right, so that's Bandai.
Hey, do you know what else I'm building for the Model Expo?
What else are you building for Model X?